Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I've made an actual video of fixing or repairing or building or doing anything. This is my daily driver here. I just replaced the starter. I was going to do a video, totally forgot. Very simple. 310mm bolts go through there, and there. It was very easy. They're a 12-point bolt, so you do need a 12-point socket. I used a wrench on the one. I couldn't get, there was a, which one was it? Not that one. I believe it's this one. This one you got to use the wrench on because the socket, unless you have a little small ratchet socket. But anyway, the other ones came out very simple. This truck's been undercoated every year, so it was very easy to get out. So those 3 bolts, your live wire from your battery, one little plug. That was it. Popped right out. The new one popped right in, so I didn't do the video. What was going on was this truck was, I thought it was the batteries. I replaced both batteries, brand new, $600. So yeah, what happened was it was cranking over very slowly, and like the batteries were dying. It almost was like the batteries were dead. So I replaced the batteries first. I'm not too familiar with diesels, so anyway, replaced the batteries. It seemed to work okay for a week, and then it was doing it again, and the starter, I'm assuming, was bad because I could hear it kind of grinding as well when it was cranking over slowly. So I haven't tried to start it yet because my hands are filthy. I'm gonna wipe my hands off, take the jack out, and try to start it. But yeah, very, very simple install for that starter. 3 bolts, 1 wire, and a harness. Very simple. Lots of room under this truck. I didn't even have to jack it up, but I did, just to give myself a little more clearance, but I probably could have done it without it. So yeah, these so this is the top. This goes up near the toward the engine. This would be the bottom toward the ground. So these two are very easy to get out. This one, you just got to feel your, it's blind, you can't really see it up in there, so you just feel your way up. You'll feel the head of it, pop it out, not a big deal. And then once you drop it down, you can't get these wires off while it's in place. You got to drop it down, pop those off. Make sure you do your negative cables on your battery first, obviously. You don't want to get electrocuted. Oh, that rubbed right off. Yeah. Yeah, I'm assuming this was the problem. I haven't tried to start the truck yet, so maybe we should do that. I got the jack out. Hands are still dirty, but we'll see. We'll close it. I'm pretty, this is how confident I am it's going to start that I'm just going to close it. I was lying on the cardboard instead of the rocks. Pretty confident it'll start, so everybody knows your diesels. Wait for your little squiggy line to go away. Once that goes away, your bow coils are warmed up. This truck's got 363 on it. That wasn't the original starter, so it has been changed before. Little one, should have started. There we go. Sounds way better. Started way easier. Hasn't started in a week, but it is warm today, so awesome. So I guess that was my problem. Yeah, it runs good. Awesome. So yeah, very simple. The starter was with taxes, I think I got a Canadian Tire, which I know a lot of the viewers are American here and they don't have Canadian Tire, but it was $231 with tax Canadian. So it wasn't horrible. I'm sure if you would have taken it somewhere, it'd be, you know, $600 installed, but very simple. Took me literally 15 minutes to do that. I have a fender. I'm probably do a video shortly. I do have a fender. I'm going to replace that. I might not do it till the spring though, because winter's coming, and I might put a brand new fender on and let it rust that off. We'll see, but very happy that it started. So that's a quick little video. It would have been too hard to get content underneath the truck on doing those bolts anyway. Like, I was gonna record myself doing it, but anyway, yeah, I'm happy that it started because I need to use it. Thanks for watching again, and I appreciate all the comments, all the feedback, all the supporters, and I hope everybody's having a great day out there. Get out there, stay busy, work on something.